Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is February the 4th and this is Henry. So the chart of the day today is the dollar index DXY 60 minutes time frame here. And we can see right here we completed with 2, with 3 and with 4 at the blue box area, and then now starting to turn lower again within with 5. Okay, and this area here, as you can see, is a extreme zone of this 3 swings rally here. And we do favor more downside as long as we stay below 99.50 here. Eventually we can go down in the wave 5, and the minimum target usually can be measured this way, which is the 1.236 external retracement, which comes at around 95. Now if I zoom out, let me show you the structure, and then also some of the alternate path, right? I'm zooming out all the way to the weekly time frame, right? And I'm just putting back this with 2 and with 3 here and with 4, right? So if in the this one, yeah, this 2 and this is a 4 here, right? This is a 4 and this is the 1. Now if you look at the weekly time frame, what we can see here is from this peak it looks sort of impulsive. This one looks sort of impulsive, right? Looks impulsive, and now we make a new low below that previous low. So if this is looking impulsive and this is looking impulsive, and then we make a new low, we can say that we are forming some sort of a 5 waves, right? So this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, now making new low again. So that's your wave 5 here. Now within wave 5 of an impulsive 5 waves, so far we only got 3 waves down. So that is incomplete, right? Because if you agree this looks impulsive, and we make new low, so then it looks like a 5 waves down from October 2022. Then this cycle starting from December 2025, this cycle looks incomplete. Okay, this cycle looks incomplete. So that means that we can see, or we should see, another leg down, which is what we are calling here in the 1 hour time frame, looking for more downside below 99.50, which is below this wave 2 here. And the alternate here is, since we are only 3ish down so far, the alternate is doing an expanded flat from this low, A, B, and then do expanded flat like this, right? So you can have 1, 2, 3, and then ABC expanded flat, then go down again. So that will be the alternate. But as always, we don't really call an expanded flat against the direction of the trend. So in this case, the trend is lower because of the 5 swing. So we never would have tried to call, oh, it's a flat and we should be rallying higher, because again, probability wise, when we go against the trend, most of the time we're going to be at disadvantage. We have a lower probability to be correct, but nonetheless that will be in the alternate scenarios. Okay, so for now, as long as we stay below this 99.50, we could continue to see more downside, with the alternate doing a flat and then continue to rally in a pretty impulsive 5 ways up. Alright, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, you can check our service. We are still again upgrading our website, which will be available soon, right? I mean, it is available now, but still some parts are still being upgraded. So yeah, so I'll see you guys again next time. And if you do want to check our service, we do have trial. You can check the link in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.